Data pipelines have 4 levels to it. Level 0, you understand what ETL stands for. E, extract, pull the data in. T, transform, you know how to move the data and clean it up. L, load, can you put the data into a database? Can you put the data into an Excel spreadsheet? All those different things. If you can master just this fundamental concept, that is the very basics of data pipeline. Level 1 is you understand the tooling. Do you know how to use tools like Airflow, dbt, Spark, BigQuery, Dagster, Prefect, Mage, all these different tools of the trade? If you can understand these tools of the trade, you will be in there. Level 2 is where you are now thinking not just about moving the data and transforming the data, but also the quality of the data. Can you do things like write, audit, publish, and versioning your data and understanding like the data pipeline processing patterns? Because sometimes you can process data in a way that's inefficient, even though it does get you the right answer. And level 3 is where you start to add observability into your pipelines. Like, do you understand what's going on in your pipelines? Do you understand the metrics in your pipelines and the cloud costs in your pipelines? And are you now in the space of maybe you're working in real-time data? You're no longer working with pipelines that run once a day, but you're running with pipelines that run all the time in real time that process data. Think of things like Uber and surge pricing. These things don't run once a day, they run all the time, forever. And then you have level 4 is where you have version control, and then these pipelines push into machine learning data sets where you need to version your data and you need to version your features, and that will allow you to scale up even further, because data pipelines that feed machine learning is what makes a lot of money. So if you are interested in learning more about data pipelines, comment data below, and I will send you a link to my data engineering newsletter that's free.